my little ones. Today I have a mini lesson on patterns. And what's a pattern? Well, a pattern is something that repeats itself. For example, I want you to listen and look up here. Ready? Once I do it, I want you to repeat it because we're going to be repeating patterns. Ready? Now you do it with me. This is a pattern, and this pattern is called the Aab pattern. I'm clapping up here, I'm touching the table, clapping up here. It's easy, right? Now let's change it up. The next one is an Abb pattern. Ready? Watch and listen. Ready? Oh, Miss Ramos made a mistake. It's Abb pattern. It's A. Now you do it with me. Ready? A, B, B. A, B, B. That's a different pattern, right? I have to be careful, right? The next one is an Aabb pattern. Aabb. Aabb. Now you do it. Ready? A. Great. The last one we have here is an ABC pattern, which means they're all going to be different. So let's think. What can we do for our ABC pattern? Let's watch. Ready? A, B, C. A, B, C. Now you do it at home. Try it with me. Ready? Good job. Now, let's use manipulatives to show you the Aab pattern. You ready? I have some blocks here. I'm going to use different colors to show the pattern. I'm going to use orange and green for my Aab pattern. A, B, A, B. Do you see the pattern here? A, B, which is orange, green. Orange, green. What's next? Did you say orange? You are so smart. Orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. And we can keep going on until infinity and beyond. But we're not going to do that. You want to do that? We can practice at home, okay? The Aab pattern. That's the first one. Okay. Now we're going to go to the second one. Abb. Okay. Let's use A. Let's use a yellow one for A. Let's use blue for B. Ready? A, B, B. Am I done? No, let's keep going. A. What's next? B. Oh, I know what's next. It's a yellow one. Am I right? Am I right? No, because it has to be Abb. B pattern. Which one is next? Tell me which one is next. Did you say the yellow one? Well, yes. Of course you did because you are so smart. And we say Abb. Abb. We'll keep on going, but we're not going. You keep going, okay? Now we have a different pattern, Aabb. Well, here I have some little bears, medium bears, big bears. I'm going to use the little ones and the big ones to make the Aab pattern. Let's say the little ones are the AA. Now remember, this time we're not using colors, we're using just the size. The size we're going to go, the little bear is going to be A, another little bear, A. So we say A, not big bear. B. So we have two little ones, two big ones. A, B. Look at A. Oh, B. Oh, there goes a bear. So we say A, B, B, A, B, B. This time we're not going by colors. We're not saying yellow, red, blue. We're just saying small, little, big, big, little, big, big. And that's a different pattern. There's a B, B pattern. The last one we have here is ABC. Let's practice our coins because we have some money right here. Let's do the ABC pattern, which means they're all going to be different. Okay, I'm going to get closer so you can see the ABC pattern with the coins. Let's use penny so it can be the A. So this is A. The nickel is going to be the B, and the quarter is going to be the C. So, you ready? So we say penny, nickel, quarter. What would the next one be? If it goes ABC, ABC, penny, nickel, quarter. Penny, nickel, quarter. Next, penny, nickel, quarter. You can even practice the value. We can even say 1 cent, 5 cents, 25 cents. 1 cent, 5 cents, 25 cents. See how we're practicing everything? We're practicing our patterns. We're practicing the name of the coins. We're practicing the value of the coins. Patterns are everywhere. You can use whatever you want as a pattern. I want you to go around your house and look for things that have patterns. You can look on the floor. The floor usually has patterns. The squares, maybe they're different colors. You can look at the curtains. Look at the curtains in the bathroom. And you can see different patterns. Look at the windows. You're going to see like different patterns also. I want you to go around the house, look for a pattern, and draw it. And then see if it's an AB pattern, ABB pattern, AABB pattern, or ABC pattern. I hope you like the video. I hope you learn what a pattern is. And I hope you can create your own patterns using blocks, using toys, big bears, little bears, whatever you have at home. Cars, blocks, coins. Okay? Use different things, different manipulatives, and create your own pattern and draw it. Talk about it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. And don't forget, keep learning. That's my main goal for all the children in the world, to keep learning. Bye. Thank you.